With a large house, space can often feel limited with our big family. Each of our 4 kids love having their own rooms, and we didn't want to have to give up that space for a dedicated guest room. But when family comes in town, especially my mom, I want her to feel right at home. That's why I turned to Create-A-Bed, and it's been the perfect fit. I designed our Create-A-Bed to integrate seamlessly with our existing room. The kids were able to keep their craft area, and my workspace stayed fully functional. I found the instructions extremely easy to follow. Everything was very detailed and laid out, making the installation in our home very straightforward. The bed's safety and durability gave me the peace of mind I needed, especially with 4 kids who like to test everything. The kids have turned their bed into their favorite spot for reading or snuggling together, and when it's folded away, the room feels just as open as it did before. If you're looking for a guest bed solution that's easy to install, blends beautifully into your space, and ensures safety and durability, Create-A-Bed is the way to go. It's made our home more welcoming without compromising what we love about our space.